Just look at them now. They want for make you drown. Just look at them now. Then go they run around. Do they do man just for put you down? Look at them now. They want for put you down. Say God give me that good, that's enemies. The one who will not get bad at. The one who will go get me back when things they go bad. Say God give me that good, that's enemies. The one who will not get bad at. The one who will go give me food when me belly ends. The man they not take a personal. The man they not take a personal. See I don't bust me head. The man they not take a personal. The man they not take a personal. Famous me I don't bust me brain. Famous, let them take anyhow, now they get skank. Then they think negative with a set strength. Before you watch your enemies, watch your best friend. But that don't make them not the grow, they just they went positively, I'm influential, I no begging for rates me. I they give it out the ones I saw the fans they embrace me. Backstabber them, a coward who that them for face me. Push give me road, but no cancer for me. Like man sorry na laugh, but we sabi that style day. Crocodile tears, we sabi that cry day. Then they battle, then they mokobo, we sabi that life day. You will get by that teachers, they waste your time. I don't care, I just live my life. No matter what I do, it no go walk. No matter what I do, it no go walk. No matter what I do, it no go walk. Okay, good evening to everybody. My name is Maske Banks. And I welcome everybody who listen to this message. Today, I talk about becoming legal in Germany, the new law. You don't hear this message, but it depends how you understand the message. I go over the message again. Okay. So anybody who listen to the message, please follow me for more updates. Like me page, follow me, share me message. Thanks to you. I appreciate you. So for become legal in Germany, the new law, where the government, the three parties and pass, them promise for create permanent right to residents for law-abiding foreigners then, where they don't live long in Germany. They don't live long in Germany, and the one them back hold on there for 5 years in Germany, from January 2022, this month we did so, will not commit any criminal offense, and they are ready for abide for commit to the free democratic order na the country. They ready for give them resident permit when a 1 year. 1 year. They promise for give them 1 year resident permit. They promise for give them 1 year resident permit as probation. As probation basis, now they ready for give them 1 year resident permit. And this, when they don't give the 1 year permit, this will help you for fulfill the other requirements for get you permanent rights for stay in this country. So when they give the 1 year, you get for fulfill the other requirements for give permanent rights for stay in this country. The 1 year they give, 1 year when they give for on probation, that's what the law states say what they promise for do. And what you get for do for let this requirement, one of the requirements them, you get for secure legal employment. You get for secure legal employment, so you go issue this legal paper. And also the new law where they promise for do, they promise for abolish that effective ban where they say when you come, you get time, starting time for work. You get starting time where they go start you for work. You know, kind when they say they begin work, they get for abolish that time where they give abolish and they give their own time. For the people that were already down there in Germany, for the one that were already in Germany. So you will be down there in Germany for a long time, and you don't there about 5 years. The party then promise, say they will create permanent right to residents for law-abiding foreigner them. Who don't they live in Germany for long and also for 5 years without legal status. So now what they promise for do? So not know when it go work, then promise for do am. na January we dey so dem promise for do am. Let no wait till na January dem say dem go do am o. Dem promise for do am from January upwards. It can be at any time. So the one that will not commit problem, will not commit offense, law abiding foreigner them. They were ready for abide to the democratic order. Na Germany. They are ready for make them obtain 1 year resident permit as probation. So if they give that 1 year, then you not go work, or you not go school, or you not fulfill the requirements there, for make you get permanent rights for staying in this country, then a problem for you. So you need for secure legal employment. We go make you go issue this paper here for let you get you permanent rights for staying in this country. And then if you abolish that work permit, so you know get them quick, you get time where they don't give for people that for the get time, but they get for abolish that work ban day and make another law ban for the people that who already don't be they stay in Germany. So you can forget and clear say that thing they promise for do. So if you go say January, now January don't cancel. The message is not still late. Now January don't cancel. For you to wait for January 1st. Now January don't cancel. I will send January. Now January we don't mean to so. Now January they don't so. Then people they be say oh, they say they be promise so. Now promise so. They say after January or do it from January. They promise so from January oh. So they know she don't they wait say they be say that January oh. No, they say they promise for doing from January. It can be at any time. Be at any time. Try to engage yourself and try to understand the message. They promise for do am. We don't know when they go do am, when they go take effect, or when they go ready for do am. And when they give you that on probation, they go give you that 1 year day. If you not fulfill the requirement, you sit down, you not work, you not go school, you not fulfill the requirement for other requirement them, then it will be problem for you. For that you go get you permanent rights for staying at Germany. So that's why they will say you come, you have to wait for some time before you begin work. They abolish that work ban. They abolish the work ban. So if they don't give that permit now for go work, then you not work. And you say your time don't reach, you don't reach 5 years, or you don't stay in this country for long, you not get your state, they go check your record. So now from January they go begin check their record and day. And when they check the record, you say you don't fit inside the new law where they get for give. Sorry, what they promise for give. They go begin check. Now I believe say they go do the checking. Not to now say they go can't give you. Now they go begin do the checking for no who that qualify. So if you know say you not qualify, you know say if you don't get problem, you know say you not be abide to the country law. You get for be careful. You get for be careful. The law not come for everybody. It come for who that be who there at the country na law abiding citizen. And they make the law for. And they promise for do am. It can be anytime when they're ready for do am. And you get for check the one day where they fulfill the law where they want. When a law abiding citizen, they don't say they're ready for abide to the country democratic free order. Now this country now then they get for give 1 year permit and are on probation. So if they don't see say they don't give that 1 year permit, the requirement they not fulfill them. Not surprise say if they take action per you say why you do am. They will say try and they will don't tell them go give we. Now they don't can go now they don't can take them back. They give on probation. So if you listen to this message, understand and well, because you go see na January don't cancel, or we say January from January 1st. Today January don't middle. January 9 they don't so. No say they be promised for do am. You don't know when they do am and how they go start the process. So I want to make a kind of this message for become legal in this country. Wetin they say, wetin they promise for do, and the requirement that we need for get this wire. So you get for check you say wetin we don't do all these past years. If you go fall inside this category or you not go fall inside this category. So I say thanks for listening to my message, share them, and follow me for more updates. Subscribe to my page for more updates. Thanks. Bye.